We're working on the last challenge of the manipulating lists unit. This says remove an item. What we want to do is write a function called remove if in list that takes two arguments. The first is a list and the second is the element to be returned. Removed, not returned. And the element may not be in the list, so we need to check if it is or not. And then if it is in the list, we can go ahead and remove it. We have an example here. List has bird in it initially. We check if bird is in the list, and if it is, we remove it and then return the list without it. And we have that here. As usual, the first thing that I'm going to do is to write my function header, and that is remove if in list. I do have a list, and then I have an item to remove. So I'm going to say if item to remove is in my list.remove that item to remove. And then the last thing that I want to do is return that list with the item removed. Simply list. And go ahead and check this here. See, that's correct. We do have sort of our same issue that we've talked about before, and that is we are actually mutating one of the parameters of our function. And in general, it's best to avoid doing that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a local variable list, assign it. I'm actually, just for the sake of simplicity, going to change this to list1, right? And then I'll make a copy of that, and then I'll remove it and return that copy list. And we'll make sure that this runs as well. And it actually says the built-in function or method is not iterable. So that is because I'm missing something here on line 3. That is my parentheses in my .copy method. Now that I've got that sorted, I can see that I passed the test.